our English video and literature topic. The topic for today is the yellow butterfly. Yellow butterfly means it is one insect. Okay, so you must have seen the butterfly and how the butterfly is beautiful somewhere. If you are going to the garden or if you are moving to somewhere, you must have seen the butterfly. Before proceeding to the chapter, let me write and tell you about the author. The writer is of this is Nilima Sinha. Nilima Sinha is a writer of this chapter, and let me tell you who was the Nilima Sinha. Nilima Sinha was an author of mystery adventure stories. Like जो adventure stories थे, she was writing an adventure stories, and she was writing for children as well too. So I have told you about Nilima Sinha, and now what is into the chapter. So first let me tell you, आप सबने butterfly देखा होगा. Okay, butterfly is one insect. So student, you must have seen the butterfly and how the butterfly is beautiful, right? Butterfly कितना beautiful होता है. That also you have seen. There are different kinds of different colors of the butterfly. Butterfly के जो different colors होते हैं. Because of that, that seems very beautiful. उसी की वजह से वो बहुत beautiful दिखते हैं. And you know, the butterfly goes here and there. Mostly the butterfly goes to the flower also. Mostly ये flower से वो flower, then to the next flower. Like that butterfly जाते हैं. And why butterfly goes? कि butterfly goes to collect the nectar from the flower. Flower में जो nectar होता है, वो to get it, the butterfly goes to the flower. Okay. So in this story today, you are going to learn is one boy is there, and he used to catch the butterfly. उसको butterfly को पकड़ना. He used to grab the butterfly. But what happened? He is grabbing the he is trying to grab the butterfly, but butterfly does not. He is not able to grab the butterfly. And butterfly goes from one place to another place to some other place. The butterfly goes, and at the end something happens. So the child has to leave the butterfly away. So let's see in the story. Open your textbook, take a pencil in your hand, and page number is 47. And I'm reading the chapter. Mostly I used to read the chapter for you, and then I'm narrating the story to you as well. But today, what I'm going to do is I'll read the chapter and similarly I'll tell you the story. So I'm beginning with it. Keep a pencil in your hand. The yellow butterfly. So a yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Now in the story, the boy is there. That boy name is Sonu. So in his garden, the color of the butterfly is yellow. So what happened? A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu के garden में yellow butterfly was moving here and there. So Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. मतलब as the Sonu has saw the butterfly, he is running behind the butterfly to catch it. Now the butterfly flew to the rose bed. अब butterfly कहाँ पे चला गया? Rose bed. Rose bed means जहाँ बहुत सारे rose flowers थे. That it seems like a bed, like rose का एक bed बिछाया हुआ ऐसा लगता है. So that butterfly went to the rose, one of the flower. Okay, it sat on a red rose, and the butterfly sat on the red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. Sonu ने क्या कहा कि तो अब मैं इसे catch कर सकता हूँ. He walked slowly and silently. Now what happened? To catch the butterfly, what Sonu has done? He walked slowly towards the butterfly and silently. Silently means without making noise. So you can write this as your new word. Is silently. Silently means without making noise. Means बिना आवाज किए he was walking towards the butterfly. If he will make the noise, what will happen? By listening the voice of someone is coming or any sound, the butterfly goes away. So he walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer and still closer. अब क्या हुआ? He was moving very silently towards the butterfly. He was moving closer, closer and closer. But then, oof, flew the butterfly. फिर क्या हुआ? When he was moving very closer, 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 closer means very near. जैसे जैसे वो butterfly के पास जा रहा था, what happened? Oh, butterfly get flew. So another new word for you is closer. Closer means very near. Closer means very near. Okay. Then where did the butterfly go? Butterfly कहाँ जा सकता है? Near the garden was a pond. अब garden के पास क्या था? There was a pond. Pond आप सबने देखा होगा, a small place where the water gets stuck in a small quantity, right? मतलब it's not the river. It's like a river, like छोटा सा pond होता है. Okay. In the pond was a white lotus. अब pond में क्या था? There was a white lotus. So around it grew round leaves. अब lotus के आसपास क्या था? Nearby the lotus there were round leaves. You must have seen the lotus into the pond. So the leaves which are having with the lotus are of round shape, right? They floated in the water. वो water पे बहुत flow कर रहा था, like it was on the water. So the butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. अब butterfly जाके कहाँ पे बैठा था? On the floating leaf. Means what the leaves were there. On that the butterfly sat. So Sonu went splash into the water. Oof! The butterfly flew. Means now what the Sonu has said. First the lotus was there. In lotus nearby the lotus there were a leaf. So leaf के ऊपर जाके butterfly बैठा. Now when Sonu entered into the water, the sound came. Do you remember into the last also I have told you splashing sound means if something will drop into the water, the sound which comes is a splashing sound. So as Sonu has moved into the water, the splash sound came off and the butterfly flew by listening that voice. So here also new word is floated. Floated means I have told you that to move slowly on water. Floated. Floated means to move slowly on water. मतलब कि पानी में धीरे धीरे जाना. To move slowly on water. Okay. And the next new word you have find is keep sail. Sail means to sit on. For in this chapter the meaning of sail is to sit on. To sit on. And after this, you can underline the word splash. Splash means, I have told you I am not writing that meaning over here because already we have learned that meaning. So splashes to if we drop something into the water, so the sound which comes, that is splash sound. Here as Sonu has jumped into the water, so that splashing sound came and butterfly flew. So till here let me revise the story. What happened? In the Sonu's garden there was a yellow butterfly, right? The yellow butterfly was roaming here and there. Then what happened? After that, when Sonu wants to grab the butterfly, so butterfly first butterfly went to the rose bed, means on the one rose he went and sat. So Sonu was moving towards the butterfly very slowly and very silently. But what happened? As he went very closer to the butterfly flew away. After that, there was a pond near his garden. Sonu's garden there was a pond. So in the pond, which flower was there? Yes, near the pond there was a lotus flower in the pond. So lotus flower के पास में जो leaves थे, so butterfly sat on that. Now Sonu has seen that the butterfly is sitting on the leaf. So what Sonu did? Sonu was again moving slowly towards the butterfly. As he moved into the water, the splashing sound came. And what the splashing sound came? By listening that splashing sound, butterfly moved again. Butterfly फिर से चला गया. So where was it? Up when the butterfly moved. So Sonu said, अब कहाँ उड़ गया? Sonu looked up, looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. अब क्या हुआ? Sonu has seen for the butterfly. He was started looking for the butterfly. Now from the leaf where the butterfly moved. So what does Sonu has done? Sonu has looked up. Sonu has looked down. Sonu looked here. Sonu looked there. But there was one peach tree. Peach is a fruit. What, student? Peach is a fruit. So there was a peach tree and it had a pink flowers. Up the peach tree is carrying a pink flowers. Peach fruit के जो tree होते हैं उसको pink flowers होते हैं. Understand? So the butterfly sat on a pretty flower. Now that flower was very pretty pink color flower. So butterfly sat on that tree. That flower. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. Sonu has shouted. Achanak, when he has see the butterfly on that pink flower, he yelled, "कि I can catch you." मतलब मैं आपको पकड़ सकता हूँ. Then he climbed up the tree and fast he moved and he climbed on the tree. Climb means he go up. Fifth word for you is climb. So the meaning of climb is to go up. Okay, so he moved up. He he climbed to the tree and up the tree, up he climbed and fast he climbed to the tree. But back it flew down from the tree. And what happened? As he reached to the climb, as he moved fast, the Sonu has climbed to the tree. What happened? It happened like the butterfly flew from the tree. So Sonu jumped down too, and Sonu भी उसको पकड़ने के लिए फटाक से jump कर लिया. He chased the butterfly, like he ran after the butterfly to catch it. Chase means to run after. This is also a new word for you, that is chased. Chase means to run after. To run after. So he chased behind the butterfly. He ran after the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree. But he could not catch the butterfly. What happened? You know that students, first he went to the rose. Then butterfly went to the rose. Then butterfly moved to the lotus flower. Then butterfly went to the peach tree, right? After that also the butterfly Sonu could not able to catch the butterfly. So coming to the next page is Sonu could not see at all, पर सोनू को वो कहीं पे भी दिखा नहीं. So he looked everywhere. At last he saw the butterfly. Now Sonu, what he has done? He moved here and there and everywhere he ran. He ran to catch the butterfly, but he could not able to see the butterfly. Then at the last, there was one place where he has seen the butterfly. So students, in the story till yet we have learned that where the butterfly moves, butterfly first moved to the rose bed, then the lotus flower, then to the peach tree. But the three of the places Sonu could not able to catch the butterfly. After that, from the peach tree where the butterfly moves, Sonu yet he has not found. So no, at one place he has saw that where the butterfly reached. So that we will going to see to the next video. Till the time, observe. You must have observed this video. Go through the story one more time into the live session. I am going to ask you the question. Thank you and have a nice day.